They throwing snowballs. I gotta get the live action. Measure this snow. I just measured it probably about an hour ago, and then it looks a whole lot thicker. So let's see. About almost 4 inches. Wow. This is crazy. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to 2025. Today's video was very unexpected. As the title suggests, this is a snow video. Most of the south of the country right now is experiencing snow, which for us is incredible because we never get snow. The last time I made a snow video was 2018. So it has been a long time ago, and they're calling for about 2 to 3 inches of snow. I will put some weather things in here. So yeah, guys, that's what we are expecting. I'm trying not to get my hopes up because, like I said, we live in the south, and a lot of the times we get false hope. They said, oh, it's gonna snow, and then we don't get any snow. But if you're seeing me on your screen right now, then it snowed. I'm very excited. I will pick up this video when the snow starts. I'm going to set up the GoPro. I'll get some time-lapse footage. But yeah, so like I said, if you're seeing this, it happened. But for me, I don't know if you're able to see this. Alright, this is a sight you never see in the south. There is salt on the road. Last time I saw that was in Tennessee. Alright, me and my dad are sitting here waiting on the snow. We were standing outside, but it's 20 degrees. I mean, that's just ridiculous. It's getting dark, which is unfortunate for somebody who wants to record the snow. You know, we're hoping we don't get past, you know, in the previous years, they always say it's going to snow, and then we just end up getting past. So hopefully that does not happen this year. But it should start in about 30 minutes, so hopefully it actually starts. All right, we just seen the first snow flurries falling. They're not very big right now, but there's something falling. Okay, you can finally see it falling on camera. I'm hoping it picks up.
Through 21.
This is
16. You're still my baby.
Oh, always will be, Mama. I never thought. I've I've seen, I've seen this in Tennessee, but when it's your own town snowing like this,
South Georgia town.
it's crazy. And they say it's supposed to get a whole lot heavier, but now, I mean, it's falling pretty good now. You can see it on Cheyenne's jacket. Now it's cold now. It is. Look at it. It's picking up.
Oh my God! I never thought this thing would come.
You can see it on the headlights of his truck. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, it's in my eyeball. If y'all are from up north, y'all gonna think we're so stupid, but this is incredible. Look at it on my hat. Wow, this is crazy. I wish there was more sun though. Wow.
I love this.
This is awesome. I wanted to set up the GoPro, but I mean, it's about too dark for it to really see anything. We got some real progress coming on now. Got it. Saw my jacket. It's sticking to the roof of the car. Man, the only bad thing is it is cold out here. I can't feel my hands, can't feel my ears, but this is cool.
Only this could happen during Christmas.
I know, us in the South have always wanted a white Christmas. Always. What you think, Daddy? I know we didn't think it was actually going to snow there for a minute, but it is definitely snowing.
Oh yeah.
Like, I don't think I've ever seen this much snow in the, down here in the South. Me too.
You know I love this shit, and I'm well aware.
Starting to stick to these roofs over here. Hopefully it'll start to be more on the ground. But it seems like everything's kind of turning white. There we go. Sticking towards the ground now. I got Cheyenne throwing snowballs. Oh yeah, it's getting on the ground now. There's a roof, got snow on it. Wow, look at this. Look at my car.
Look, you can feel the snow. Wow.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at the car. Damn, it's got more back here than up front.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at the grill.
This is...
Oh, look at the table. Look at there.
Y'all, this whole video is just gonna be us saying wow. I told you we don't get this stuff.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. That's crazy. This is crazy.
Wow.
I'm hoping as it snows more and more, everything just start to look better and better.
My hands are so numb.
They throwing snowballs. I gotta get the live action.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I bet your hands are cold, ain't you?
My hands are cold.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you covered in it.
Covered in snow. Have more.
Just got a layer of snow on my hat now. That's something I never thought I would say. At least not in Georgia. This is great. If you can see it a little better. Oh, and it's cold. I hope you can't smell through the camera. Ooh. All right, I don't know how good it's gonna be, but I got the time lapse rolling. But man, it is snowing, y'all.
By the time.
Look at this. Wow, we might actually get the inches they're talking about. Hear that crunch? Oh, look at your hair, Mama. Daddy's hat is covered. The roof.
Is it covered like yours?
Yeah.
Yours is covered.
Well, there's been a little more progress. A little more is on the ground. A little more is in Mama's hair. And a little more is on my hat.
A lot more is stuck to my shoe.
And Cheyenne's got stuff stuck to her shoe.
There it goes. So.
Well, we are still amazed by this. I think if it keeps snowing like this, we could get the few. Hell, they said 7 to 8 inches. I mean, that would be some serious snow, but.
You should see your hat now.
Oh, it's all over my hat?
It's thick.
Well, I can't see it, but y'all can. That's how I'm gonna measure how much snow we had.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
And then I got this little cup set up. I don't know how much is in there, but. Okay, this is something very particular. Look at this. She's done gained high heels. Just from walking in the snow.
Whoop. She lost it.
Oh, there it went.
She lifted up her foot to kick and the foot went and it.
This is the heaviest snow we've had so far. I mean, it's picked up for sure. I've said it this whole video. I cannot believe this. Let's get in the road. Look at this. The whole yard is covered. Oh yeah, these trees are covered. I'm serious, we might actually get the 7 to 9 inches that they're calling for. It's crazy back here. I'm gonna set up the camera somewhere. I got the GoPro, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it. All right, let's give a little update. It is really, really thick at this point. I brought out my little measuring tape from work, and I came over here to the areas that we have not touched, and I'll show you if I can get it out. Hold on, guys. All right, let's see. Okay, so it just that quickly, it has snowed another 2 inches. That table's thick. I mean, this, guys, I'm sure I sound like a broken record. I know I do. Well, let me turn this way. I know I sound like a broken record, but this is incredible. We don't get this stuff. We just don't. So, I mean, to be, in South Georgia with 4 inches of snow as it's still coming down is truly a miracle for us. So let's go check out the front yard. All right. Hopefully you can see, like this tree right here. Incredible. Incredible. It's very thick right here. And it feels very soft. But hope you can hear the crunch. This is awesome. I'm so happy right now, if you can't tell. Definitely gonna be probably one of my favorite videos of 2025. Alright, so here's the car. And it's pretty covered. It's done got most of the hood now. And that top is pretty thick. I want to come look at the road. For us to be in the South, I did find it very shocking that they were snow plows. So they did actually salt this road, but it's not too icy. We got some look like water right here. I'm wondering if that not frozen, but it's cold enough for it. But yeah, guys, here is the snow update. I will give another one probably about another 30-40 minutes. The forecast is still showing a good bit of snow, like 5-6 more hours of snow. So if that's the case, should get a few more inches. Pretty crazy. Every time I come out here, my mind's like blown. I really want to clear off one of these chairs to sit in. It's gonna be cold. There's my dad's attempt at a little snowman. Looks like a rabbit. We got some very, very heavy snowfall right now. Me and my dad was in there watching it from the window. That stuff has picked up dramatically. Hopefully you can see it. I got my GoPro set over there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna walk over there. One of these times I'm gonna bust my ass. Let's see. I don't know if y'all could tell on video, but there for a minute, it really started to come down. Looked like a blizzard. Let's see. GoPro, you still alive? Oh yeah, it's still alive. So hopefully that's getting some good footage for y'all. I'm gonna head back in the house, but I just wanted to share that because it is, you know, it is snowing. This stuff is like so like deep at this point, and powder, I mean, it's just pure powder. It's insane. It's so soft. Wow. And these trees, I mean, these little bushes are just beautiful. Oh, here we go. Picking back up again. It's amazing. You know, you look back from, you know, when we first came out here, like when it first started snowing, and then you look at the difference.
I love it.
This is awesome. I wanted to set up the GoPro. Oh, here we go. My dad just brought up an interesting point. Say that again.
Okay. It's 9:11 right now. It should be really dark. I can see the entire alleyway.
Yeah, normally, guys, this alleyway is pitch black. And so it's just crazy. The snow reflects off everything. And it's not dark out here at all. You know, earlier in the video, I was talking about, you know, I was afraid it was going to be too dark to see the snow. Well, I can tell you that's not the case. It feels like 17 degrees out here. At this point, I've kind of gone numb to it. It doesn't feel that cold to me anymore. But, yeah.
It's cold to me.
Yeah, yeah. It's cold, but it's just, you know. We're going to walk back here. Look how thick this is. I mean, this is insane.
I mean, because, you know, earlier, you know, we was walking through here and we was looking at the leaves with all the snow on it. Now you can't see the leaves, you know it?
Yeah, they're about covered up.
Look at that.
Look at the roof.
Look at the trash can. It's like the
Oh, I about dropped my phone in the snow.
snow is like. That snow probably killed that. God.
Probably so. Look at the car. It's got a...
What?
Look at there. There's the roof line. And there's the snow. Insane. It's got... Look at the ice. It's got ice all over it. Wow. It's done covered up my headlights. Can't see those anymore. So, you know, I'm filming everybody else. Well, you can see what I look like. Man, I got snow all over me. I say it's not cold. My nose running. But what I want to do, if I can find it, I want to measure this snow. I just measured it probably about an hour ago. And then it looks a whole lot thicker. So let's see what we got here. About almost 4 inches. So about a 2-inch difference from probably about an hour ago. So it's coming down. Like I told you earlier in the video, they predicted about 7 to 9 inches. I don't know if it's gonna be quite that much. Like I said, it's 9 o'clock. It's supposed to keep snowing until about 3 in the morning. I don't know how much it's gonna build up, but I think we're gonna wake up to a winter wonderland. So unless anything crazy happens tonight, we're gonna end this video for today, and I will pick this up tomorrow. All right, it's morning time now. Somehow it seems like there's even more than there was last night. Wow. Crazy. So here's an update on the road. There's actually a whole layer of ice on this road right here. Insane. Absolutely insane. And here's a shot of the yard again. Crazy. Well, I think it's safe to say my car's got a little bit of snow on it. Quite a bit of snow on it. This is very cool. Very, very cool. I'm gonna come back out here when the sun comes out and get some more cinematic shots. But for some reason, it's 7 a.m. right now. It feels a whole lot colder out here than it did yesterday. And it's not as enjoyable to be out here. But very pretty. And so I guess I will pick this video back up in a little bit. Alright, this is a first for me. We're trying to get this thing ready to go so we can go somewhere. I know you're not technically supposed to do something like this, but you know, it's so deep it's not really going to scratch the paint too bad. But
A lot of snow.
a lot. Look at that. Oh, I can't even get to my windshield wipers. Well, here. Whew, it's tiring. This is what y'all do up north? I wouldn't go nowhere. Let me make sure the heat's going.
Yeah, that might be a good thing.
This is so unbelievable to me and my dad because, like I said, we have never thought we would see our town like this. There is just, the roads are absolutely a mess. I mean, they really are. I'm surprised my little two-wheel drive Chevy Trax is doing as good as it is. Now, some of this ice is starting to melt, but it's truly incredible. My phone's about to die, and I want to get more footage. So hopefully on the way back we'll get a little more footage, but this is just unbelievable. All right, that road in front of us is absolutely horrible. And this is a major highway, and it is just a mess. And I know they resalted this road, but still looks like a mess. All right guys, for the finale of this video, I would like to try and get some footage of me riding in the snow. I got a Polaris Sportsman, and as you can tell, I've already been ripping it up. I'm one-handed right now. Don't mind the gloves, it's cold, or the socks. I'm one-handed right now, so I can't really do as good as I wanted to. I tried to use the GoPro, however, I think we might have broke that last night because it will not turn on no longer. But hopefully I'll get some good footage. Very easy to slide right now because of all this snow. Very hard to record, unfortunately. Let me show y'all this up front real quick. So this right here, if you can hear me, is all ice. I mean, it just, as soon as I hit the gas, it's gone. All right, I'm gonna try to show this thing slide. I don't know if it showed it, but you can hear it. So I'm out here riding the four-wheeler still, and man, these dirt roads are horrible. horrible. And some of these companies in the South still made people go to work, which, you know, it's crazy for us because we're not used to driving on this stuff. I don't know how people are making it through this. I mean, the four-wheeler, it's not a problem. But for most vehicles, this would be kind of difficult to get through. And some of our main roads look like this as well. So it's kind of crazy that, you know, a lot of places are closed, but, you know, some people still had to go to work. So it's just, myself included. Technically, I got to go to work at 4. But, I mean, it's crazy. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video and I did not record an outro, so here I am editing this video, making the outro. Guys, I just want to say this is a very special video for me and my entire family. We have been waiting on snow like this our entire life, so this is really a special video, and it was truly something very special for all of us in the South to experience. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on it, subscribe down below. Tons of content coming this year, hopefully a trip to Hawaii and all kinds of crazy stuff, so please subscribe so you don't miss any of it, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.